Good afternoon, my family and friends. To those who don't know me, my name is Sally Casper. Today, I will show you how to make ribs fall off from the bones. Very easy, not much time at all, and it's really good. But before I will show you, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment over here, and next is my video. Keep watching. Okay guys, this is the spare ribs, and I just have that with fried rice and steamed broccoli. Have a good dinner, everyone. I have to boil the spare ribs on a quick power pot with sauce and everything, marinated, and it will only take like 30 minutes. After that, I have to use the Power XL air fryer. This will be very good. I'll see you in a little bit. Look at this, my friends. Really nice and brown, perfectly brown. Like for me, if you want lighter than this, then you can set for like, could be 8 minutes. But for me, this is good. Hello guys, so this is the spare ribs. I have another load of spare ribs in the basket there. But oh my goodness, this is very tender. Look at that, guys. Yummy. Very good, healthy, and very easy. Okay guys, this is the spare ribs, and I just have that with fried rice and steamed broccoli. Have a good dinner, everyone.